In a small village, there lived a young man named Raghu. He had big dreams, but very few resources. Raghu dreamed of becoming a great mountaineer and wanted to climb the highest peak to show the world that his determination was as strong as anyone's. But the villagers often mocked him, saying, "Raghu, give up these big dreams. People like us can't do such great things. Here, even earning a living is a big deal." Raghu didn't let these words discourage him and continued to work hard. Every morning, he would train rigorously, climbing a nearby hill and pushing himself to become stronger each time. He didn't have the right shoes or equipment, but his spirit was unbreakable. He would fall, get injured, but every time, he would stand up and begin his climb again. After a few years, Raghu decided he was ready to climb the world's tallest peak, Mount Everest. Though he lacked money and equipment, he worked tirelessly to raise funds and also received some support. Finally, he was ready for the climb. The journey was anything but easy. At every step, Raghu faced daunting challenges. Some of the people climbing with him lost courage and turned back, but Raghu refused to give up. In his eyes was a determination to prove his village wrong and fulfill his dream. After many days of a grueling journey, the moment finally arrived when Raghu reached the summit of Mount Everest. He planted his village's flag there and celebrated his victory. His eyes were filled with tears, but they were tears of joy and fulfillment. He was proud of his struggle and persistence. When Raghu returned to his village, the same people who once mocked him now praised him. They learned from Raghu that true success comes from hard work, self-belief, and a never-give-up attitude. Raghu's story teaches us that when our determination is strong, no dream is too big. Obstacles may come, but with resilience and hard work, every challenge becomes small.